In a global world, I think it's more important where a company does business rather than where it's domiciled. Diageo, which many of you know through the Johnnie Walker whiskey label, actually has significant sales from overseas. Is it a UK company? No, it's a global company. Similarly, Johnson & Johnson, which any parent will know from their high-quality baby products, 50% of sales from outside the US. And Toyota, which many of us love to drive, famous Japanese car company, actually 60% of sales outside of Japan. It's a global brand. So I believe, why limit your opportunity set? You want to fish in the biggest pond, and that's the global pond. Two of the key themes we're currently capturing are US energy independence and service. In the last few years, there's been a significant ramp up in US energy production with the emergence of US shale. There are different ways of capturing this. One is through the producers with the best assets, such as EOG, who have the best asset profile in the Bakken and the Eagle Ford. The other is the service companies that are benefiting from the increased expenditure of big oil, such as Schlumberger. And the third is some of the US chemical companies who are benefiting from lowered costs because their biggest cost is ethane, which is a byproduct of US shale production. So they're now making double-digit margins with better cash flows. The other theme, service. In the modern world, services are becoming a bigger part of the economy, and companies like Ecolab that we currently hold provide cleaning and sanitation products. Now, these companies tend to have longer-term contracts with high recurring revenue streams and better cash flow profiles. This is an area we continue to invest in. I believe our edge comes firstly from my global experience. I've always done global rather than come from a regional background, so have always made those global cross comparisons and worked in a global universe. The other is the team. Paul Middleton and I have worked together for over 6 years. And then lastly, my colleagues. Mirabaud has a wealth of experience with talented fund managers who have a high conviction and unconstrained approach, which I firmly believe in.